Some of the questions basically are actually not difficult but different from the others. That is cos 2x into log of cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x. Just you check if we differentiate this thing, what will we get? If we differentiate this thing, that is dy dx of this, then what will we get? Dy dx, that is log m upon n, log m minus log n. Now just differentiate it, that is 1 upon cos x plus sin x minus sin x plus cos x. 1 upon cos x minus sin x minus sin x minus cos x. Right? Then its LCM will be cos plus sin, cos minus sin, a plus b minus b square minus b square. Then this is cos minus sin, this is also cos minus sin, this is cos minus sin, this is also cos minus sin, multiplied here, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And out of this, if you take minus common here, if you take minus sign common here, this will be positive, this will be positive, right? Then this will be multiplied here, that is cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Now you can see cos square plus sin square 1, cos square plus sin square is 1. So we got it 1 plus 1 2 upon cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So we got it 2 upon cos 2x. Derivative of this function is 2 upon cos 2x. So now just if we integrate this function, apply u into v. This function as first function and this function as second function as its derivative. This function you consider as first function and this function consider as second function. So integration will be first function as it is integral of second function. For cos 2x, integral is sin 2x upon 2 minus derivative of first function 2 upon cos 2x. Simple u into v we are applying, where this we considered as our first function and this our second function. Simple integration. In derivative of this we found separately. So derivative of first function, integral of second, and its complete integration. Sin upon cos tan, otherwise also this is f dash x, this is fx. So integral of log is tan is minus log of cos x. So we got the integral sin 2x upon 2 log of cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x minus and minus minus plus log of denominator, that is for tan upon for angle 2 plus c. Sin upon cos is tan, tan is minus log of cos 2x upon 2 plus c will be your integration. Integration is this much only. This is we have found the derivative of this. So some questions are different. Write it down.